Hi everyone, we are Team Illuminate and I'm Apurva and here are my teammates Dekshita, Manish and Isabel. And the product that we have chosen for this project is Microsoft Visio. It's a diagramming software that helps people create visual representations of complex data using flowcharts, organizational charts, diagrams, and floor plans. And the community, the underserved community that we want to target for are people who use screen readers because they have vision problems or they might have low vision issues or something like that. And we have chosen this problem space because during our preliminary research, we identified that the screen readers are not able to read the contents that's exactly written in these shapes. And maybe Manish can take you through this video and explain how it actually works.
Hello. So I'll just give a quick demo of how the product is currently. Uh, Sharing my screen. Hope that's visible. I'll also turn on the narrator.
Browser window, Office on the web frame pane, Start flow, image, scan.
So we are on the Visio screen right now, and we have the narrator turned on. For the sake of explaining how this alt text is working, we have added a few alt text tags for a few of those elements in the diagram, and for a few of them we have left it open. So I'll navigate through the Visio diagram now.
Meeting in Team Illuminate, scan off, ecom, scan, dynamic, start flow, start of the user journey, edit, dynamic connector connecting from start flow to start, image. User browsing process, image. User browses for products on the website, edit. User selects a product, image. One product is selected, edit. Dynamic connector connecting from start to select product, image.
As you can see here, my teammate actually added the rectangle and the parallelogram first, and then connected both of them using the connector. And that is how the screen reader recognizes them in the order in which they're added to the diagram.
Dynamic connector connecting from select product to add to cart, image. Add to cart, image. Dynamic connector connecting from add to cart to decision, image.
So if you have heard in the first half, that is user browsers website and select products, you could have heard something else which is not just visible there, because we added alt text and also described what the process or that particular element is referring to.
2025. PicJam is finished loading.
So for the remaining ones, that is from add to cart till processed proceeds to checkout and everything else, we do not have any alt text, and that's the reason you just hear whatever is written as text over there. And as I go here,
image. User is made. Dynamic connector connecting from decision to select product, image.
and here as well, there is no reference telling the user that this flow is only triggered when the user selects a no, unless they go ahead and select the next item as no again.
Dynamic connector connecting from decision to enter payment/shipping details, enter payment/shipping details. Dynamic connector connecting from enter payment successful, image. Dynamic connector connecting from payment successful, no. Dynamic order confirmation, image. Dynamic connector connecting from order confirmation to end, image. Status.
So that's a quick short demo.
Yeah. So as you see, we have already done like a preliminary research, and through this we have identified that even the process of adding alt tags to these shapes or like flows is a little challenging. It's like hidden within the system, and it's difficult for people to even find that there are such systems available to make these kind of flows more accessible. So we are hoping to work on this product in more detail so that we can make the process of making these kind of charts more accessible for people, and we also make it in a way that's easy for people who are using these screen readers or people who have low visions to analyze this data in a more effective and easy way instead of relying on these screen readers that reads data without making any sense out of that flow. So yeah.
Adding to what my teammate said just now, biggest reason why we chose this particular user group is there are more and more laws coming in all over the world right now that advocate for more accessible content to be produced in places like educational institutions, offices, and everywhere else. So with Microsoft having a huge user base across educational institutions, organizations, in the corporate and everywhere else, I think it is the right thing to go forward and make it easier for the creators of those content to make the content that they're creating easy to make, easy to keep it accessible for everyone, especially for people who are using screen readers.